Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to be making the linkage peg. Now we are going to slightly modify one of these dimensions. This is actually not going to have a diameter of 0.125. Instead we are going to make it have a diameter of 0.0625. And the reason being, this part goes into the wheel, and the wheel actually does not have an opening larger than 0.0625 diameter, so it won't fit in the wheel if you use this actual full size. So other than that, SR once again stands for spherical radius of 0.1562, and then we got our two heights here. Let's go ahead and get started. In Inventor, start a 2D sketch, select the plane, and then draw out the profile. Looks something like this, and there is an arc on the top. And then the height from the very top to the bottom is 0.325. Enter. Then the distance from here to the very bottom is 0.25. And then the spherical radius, so from the center to this point, is 0.1562. And I'm also going to dimension the arc to have that radius, so 0.1562. And then I'm going to change the bottom to have that 0.0625 number there. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to finish the sketch, revolve it, select this axis, press OK, and there you go. That is the linkage peg.